Hello everyone. Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. When the article you've submitted is flagged as likely AI generated, you're probably asking yourself how to remove AI detection. Understanding this process is crucial for bypassing systems like AI essay detectors or AI generated text detectors. To bypass AI detection, avoid repetitive phrasing or overly formal language. Tools like Turnitin or bypassgpt can help make AI generated text sound more natural, transforming it into humanized AI content. However, these tools often come with high costs. Another approach is to manually tweak your text by adding personal experiences and concrete examples. This can reduce the likelihood of detection by an AI essay checker or an AI content detector. While detection algorithms continue to evolve, AI detection bypass methods are also improving. Whether you're using an AI bypasser or manually modifying content, challenges like high costs and time inefficiencies remain. If you're looking for a faster and more effective way to make your AI-generated writing undetectable, try Tenorshare AI Bypass. It's a tool that can help convert AI text to human text and ensure your content stays undetectable by AI writing detectors. Click the link below to try it out for free and discover how to make AI text human. Navigate to the homepage and you'll find a free trial AI Bypass button. Click it to access the dashboard. I'll paste our article here and select the super enhanced mode for optimal results. We have two options, AI checker and humanize. Let's see what happens. After running the AI checker test, we found that our article was flagged as AI generated. But don't worry, it's time to humanize it. After processing, we received a fully humanized article that passed all AI detection tests. How to make AI content undetectable depends on combining creative writing with the right tools. Whether you're writing an essay or creating content, these strategies will help you generate text that looks more like it was written by a human. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more useful information about the world of AI. See you next time.